Today we're going to show you how to mount a TV on a metal stud wall. So first of all, have a stud finder. You can use this Zircon electronic stud finder or C.H. Hansen magnetic stud finder, which is really strong, can detect the metal stud very easily. Once that's done, you want to mark your TV mount holes, and then you want to drill that hole through your drywall, through the metal stud, just on one side. Do not pierce into the other side. Make a nice half-inch hole, clean and nice, so that you don't have trouble inserting the elephant anchors later on into the metal stud. So you put in the elephant anchors, pull the strap so that the channel of the metal elephant anchor is snug to the metal stud. Break the plastic, and you have all the anchors for all the 4 holes mounted on the metal stud. Now you screw in the screws with your hand, just so that it touches in properly. Then once that is done, halfway through that, then you can use a power tool or a screwdriver. And as soon as the mount is done, you're going to hang your TV. And this kit comes with everything. You can buy it on Amazon.